essence of your last rack. You just better earn your friends soon. You just better earn face tomorrow. That was all from the gold drop on this one though. Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to the live stream. I'm gonna start with some analysis. Obviously, today being Monday, and also we're gonna look at some of the events happening in terms of what's on the economic calendar for the week. Yeah, so in a minute I'm going to be analyzing the currency pair. I mean, so far it doesn't look like I have any trade on the horizon today in terms of my day trading strategy, but obviously that could change. So but anyway, I'm gonna start doing some analysis, and I'm gonna start off with the euro dollar, and I'm gonna pop that on the one hour time frame and try and see what the market has done. Now we've been looking at this currency pair for over the last couple of weeks. I would say I've been looking at this currency pair over the last couple of weeks, and obviously since the market was around here 3 weeks ago, we did say that at some point we are going to get this movement, and we got this movement, and now the market has put in like a 1 2 3 kind of structure here. And normally with these kind of structures, you would expect the market to come back to the middle line of the box before continuing its rally. And obviously we saw the market came down here last week, and we kind of come into a little bit of consolidation now on top of that middle line of the box. And so at this moment in time, I mean, like I said, if you're not already in a long trade, you just want to wait and see what happens, because even if you decide to take a long trade here, it's just not a good idea in terms of like the risk to reward ratio that you're going to get on this trade. I mean, going long here, you have to put your stop loss way below this structure, and this is just not the way to trade. So we seem to be lacking a little bit of volatility. I mean, this happened for the whole of last week. Really, the market just consolidated here for the whole of last week. So in terms of people that usually trade the euro, I don't think they would have had that much of a trading opportunity. So at this moment in time, we just have to wait and see where the market goes. But I still think we are going to be heading up to at least that previous structure. The market will go to that previous structure. And in terms of any kind of counter trading up, no, we don't even have any potential advanced pattern forming. We might, if we get this move to come back down, and as long as it doesn't break that structure, we could potentially be forming a cipher pattern, as you can see. So that will give us a potential cipher pattern. And obviously there's some people that do trade the C leg of cipher pattern. I'm not one of those, but if you're someone that trades the C leg of cipher pattern, this might be a very good trading opportunity if the market does indeed come back down. And you have to also like keep in mind, as long as this structure is not broken, then that could be a potentially good trading opportunity on the euro. But for now, if you're not in it, stay out and wait. Patience is important, guys. You have to be very patient and wait for the market to do what it needs to do before you react. But anyway, let's move on to the next currency pair, which is the pound against the US dollar. This one as well, we've been looking at this over the last couple of weeks in the live stream, and we've looked at this structure here, and that's the structure that we expected the market to come back to. Now obviously this is a different type of structure. This is a contraction, and usually you have to be very careful with these contractions. You have to understand how the market behaves when it breaks out of this contraction. And so just like the euro, we are coming into a little bit of consolidation here as well, and it looks like we're forming some kind of a head and shoulder pattern. So that's definitely something to keep your eye on. Hopefully we get some volatility this week. We need some volatility, guys. If there's no volatility, there's just no trade. So moving on, let me look at the dollar yen. The dollar yen, we're slowly crawling up. As we can see, the market kind of broke this little mini structure here last week, and we have come back to retest that structure. So it looks like the market is gonna go a little bit higher. Again, there's just not too much volatility. If you look at this market closely, we don't have that much of a we don't have volatility in the market, so it's kind of very difficult to trade at the moment. Euro Oz, this is one currency pair that I spoke about on my Friday stream, when I told you guys this was a good long trading opportunity on Friday. Obviously, the fact that I don't trade on Fridays, I didn't really take the opportunity to trade this currency pair, but it was a good long trade on Friday that ended up being a wonderful winner. So anyone that took that trade, well done to you. So let's look at the yen pairs. So let's look at the pound yen and see what the market is doing, or is potentially going to do on the pound yen. And I'm going to put that on the 4-hour chart. Let's head over to the daily because I don't see much. Okay, here I can see a little bit of structure here. So yeah, the pound yen is approaching a very important resistance structure on a daily chart. So that's definitely going to bring some kind of a pullback. And obviously the fact that we had a contraction structure here, the market will likely come back, pull back to that contraction structure. So if we get a short trade, if I get a short trade in this market this week, I will be taking it. So let me put that on the 50-minute chart and see what the market has done in terms of my day trading. Could I potentially get a trade on the pound yen? Yeah, it's not looking very likely, to be honest, because I don't see any volatility in the market over the last couple of weeks, guys. So if whoever is trading right now, if you're trading right now, I think you're gonna struggle to find opportunities. As at least if you're trading the major currency pairs, you're gonna struggle to find trading opportunities just because this just, and this is one of those ones where if you're able to recognize the fact that there's no volatility in the market, you're gonna be very cautious entering trade, because it's, if you were to enter a trade that doesn't end up going your way, then you're gonna have to wait a few days before that trade moves, and it's really, and you don't want to be in that situation. So I don't see any volatility in this market, and today being Monday as well, so probably it's gonna be the last week Monday where I do not expect to take any trade today. But like I said, anything can change in the next couple hours. So that today will probably gonna be a really short stream. So let's look at what's on the economy calendar over the next 3 days. If there's anything important, as you can see today, there's nothing, no major, you know, economic news that's gonna shake the market. Tomorrow again, we have the same situation. Nothing major. On Wednesday, however, we do have a couple of CPIs, mostly Australian dollars. So, yeah, guys, it's not looking. It's not looking very good in the markets in terms of anything that's going to give us volatility. It's just not looking good. So this will probably be one of the shortest streams that I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna do since I started my live trading. No trade, no volatility, nothing to look forward to, nothing on the horizon, and nothing is nowhere close to where I would like it to be in terms of creating a trading opportunity. There's just nothing. But I'm gonna try and prolong this stream for at least half an hour before I call it a day. But yeah, today's gonna be a short one. So guys, like I said, I'm gonna be cutting this stream really short today because um, it doesn't look like there's any volatility in the market, so I definitely will not be having a trade this morning. I've already looked at some of the currency pairs in terms of analyzing what to look forward to this week in terms of trading opportunities, and so far most of the currency pairs, the major currency pairs at least, like we don't really, it's like the market has been in consolidation for a week. So unfortunately for technical traders, it's not really the best time to trade now because we don't have that volatility. And I even looked at the calendar for this week to see if we do have any news that could bring some volatility in the markets. But yeah, over the next couple of days there isn't really anything. So yeah, I think I'm gonna be ending this stream now, and who knows, let's see how the market is gonna be when we approach New York session. If there's any, like I said, if there's any trading opportunity, I will definitely be streaming then as well. But however, for now, yeah, it's a quiet one, so I'm gonna stay out, be patient, and wait. So a lot of people are gonna know that trading, there's a lot of waiting when it comes to trading. You just wait until the opportunity comes to you. But yeah, okay, guys. Well, I may or may not see you during New York session. If not, definitely tomorrow morning. I will resume I will stream again tomorrow morning. But for now, there's no trade, guys.